just left one of the Goodwills. Spent $60-something in the Goodwill, but you know what that means when you spend that in the Goodwill. If I spent $60 in the Goodwill, wait till I show you what I got.
You got something to say to the camera?
What's up, family? What's poppin', man? Like, if you guys haven't hit the subscribe button and this is your first time seeing me, listen, join the family. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell right next to the subscribe button. This channel is gonna get very diverse, very big. The family is gonna be super strong. I'm just saying, like, what are you waiting for? Like, I know your brain's like, man, this guy is different. Subscribe. Just do it already. Stop fighting it. Join the family. I mean, if you blood family, you hit the bell too. And if you hit the bell too, then you already went to go see the other channels down below as well. I mean, guys, what are you waiting for? We're taking over YouTube. I said it. We small right now, but we taking over. It's quality, not quantity, but then it's quantity and quality. So let's take over. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell. So I just got home. It's a little bit late now. Here's the bags that I bought. It doesn't look like much, but we're gonna get into that real quick. I'm gonna do this live. I'm gonna add up all my potential profits right now. A little bit of motivational. Let's get it. I told you this is just today's haul. I'm gonna take all the products out of the bag. What I got today. I got some incredible products, guys. I got some unbelievable stuff that it don't even seem real to me right now that I found these, but that's what happens. I've done that before where I'm like, no way. So we're gonna get into it and just show you what I found. If I can do this, you can do this. I'm telling you guys. Let's look at the haul. So wasting no time, let's get right into this, guys. I'm a little bit tired. I'm not gonna lie, it's late now. So let's just get into what I got. So the first product right here, and we're gonna add up everything what I spent, right? So the first product is $4.99. I don't know what this is yet, but we're gonna add it up. It's $4.99. All right. The second product is $2.99. Okay. Let's go. The third product is $20, $19.99. All right. The fourth product is $3.99, $4. All right. The fifth product is $5, $4.99. The sixth product is $3.99, $4. Seventh product is $4. Eighth product is $15. Ninth product and final product of the day is $5. So today's haul gives us a grand total of $65 spent, and I donated to the Goodwill. So it was really about $65, but I donated a little bit more. So yeah, $65 spent on all the items that I spent today, guys. That I found today. So let's calculate the potential profits now. So let's just start right here at the top. I'm gonna scan this one for you guys real quick. Let's see. Yep, it's this one. 32,002. 441. So let's say it was $3. $1.01. Okay, we got $1 so far. All right. Next item. Let's scan this right here. This is a new product. This is a new, actual brand new, but it's restricted new. Right, like I told you guys, it's restricted. It won't let me sell it new. I would have got a crazy profit, but I have to sell it as used. I can sell it as used, so we're just gonna go with used. It's okay. It cost me $5, so let's just put $5.50. My profits is $15.87. Okay. Next item. That's what's this one right here. Okay, crazy, amazing BSR. This one cost me $5. Let's put $5.50. $18.96 profits. Okay, guys. Next item, little navigation system. Let's scan this product. The battery's low. There we have it. Only option it gives us is used, so I have to label it as used. I bought this for $15 and $17.53 is the profit. Okay, guys, so that's already half the items just about half the items I bought. Every last one of them over 100% ROI besides one. But let's get into it. Let's keep going. It's about to get interesting. Okay, so I found 3 of these brand new, brand spanking new, guys. I don't even believe this, but I'm still gonna list it anyway. So let's scan one, right? Let's scan one. They're ranked $5.50, a crazy BSR. Now, for used, as a used item, it's selling for $15 if it's used, right? But brand spanking new, like these are still in the plastic. These are all still in the plastic. Brand spanking new, guys. Look what they're selling for. $100. I can't even believe that. I'm gonna refresh it again. They're selling at $92 net profits. Well, let me put what I bought them. I bought them for $4. So let's put $4.50. Right? $87.66 profit times 3. Guys, that's crazy. If that really sells for that much, that's a home run. One of the biggest ones yet. So that's a super home run because I found 3. I found profits like this. I bought something for $7 that sold for 200 plus, but it was only 1. This is 3. So guys, if this sells for $87 and I bought it for $4.50, I put $4.50 because I add in tax. So for $4.50 and it sells for $87, all 3 of them, home run, guys. So next product, let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. All right, let me not even damage those. I'm throwing those a little bit too hard. We're gonna scan this next product, whatever this thing is. It's right here. So $14. I paid $5 for this, so we're gonna say $5.50. $5.50. $9.42. My profits. Let's toss this over there. And last but not least, one of these little Surface keyboard things, right? Let me see. One of the most expensive items. Macintosh Surface keyboard. Alright, guys. And for that one, I spent $20 on this. I spent $20. Let's just say $20.50. And this is brand new. This is brand new, guys. I'm gonna make $52 profit on this one item. So when we add up all those profits, all those potential profits, because we gotta say potential, even though every last one of these items have amazing BSRs and most of them are brand spanking new, guys, after all that, we're looking at, boom, as potential profits, guys, $378.73, and I only spent $65. $378.73. Yeah. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell. Make sure you join the strongest family on YouTube. If I can do it, you can do it. That being said, guys, it's definitely a good night. Good night. Peace till tomorrow, guys. Peace.